Hi viewers, my name is Susan Wangechi, a senior tax lecturer and a tax consultant. I want to talk about taxation in general, and I would want to know what tax entails. Taxation is important to all students who are taking the CASNEB exams, BCom and other exams. It is very wide, and it is also very helpful to all traders and business people. They need to know when they are supposed to pay tax, how, and when it's supposed to be submitted to KRA. So tax being very important in our country, it is very important for each and every person to know what is taxation and what it entails and your obligations as a person. Now, from there, I want to give the breakdown of taxation. In taxation, being now our subject is taxation, we want to know taxation entails what we expect to find in taxation. The first topic, and a very major topic in taxation, topic 1, we will talk about the theory of taxation. The theory of taxation. Under the theory of taxation, we are going to know the types of taxation, or the types of taxation that we have in our country. We are also going to talk about the functions of KRA. We are going to know the classification of taxes. We are going to know what is tax evasion and tax avoidance, and we'll also be distinguishing between a tax incidence and a tax impact. That is under the theory of taxation. Then topic number 2, we will talk about the income tax. Under the income tax, we will want to know the types, the sources of taxable incomes here in Kenya. Apart from employment income, do we have other sources of taxable incomes in here in Kenya? And we have very many sources of taxable income. We will be talking of business income, rental income, royalties income, pension income, and we also have wife's income. And they are very clear in the Income Tax Act, and we will be looking at them one by one. After the income tax topic number 3, we will now talk about the employment income. This employment income, we all know employment is the relationship between the employer and the employee. And we would want to know, you as the employer, what are your obligations? What do you need to fulfill when it comes to your employees and what they earn? So we are going to talk about how to compute the taxable employment income of each and every employee, how we arrive to that, and how we compute the tax payable, when to pay it, and how to pay it to KRA. That is employment income. Under that employment income, we will talk about, apart from the basic salary that you get, you will be getting other allowances, and after the allowances we will also have other deductions like NSSF. We will talk about other deductions under the employment income. The allowable deductions, they are about 6. Then after the employment income, we have another major topic. We call it the business income. Under the business income, we will be computing the taxable business income of traders who have maintained the proper books of account, and other traders who have not maintained the proper books of account. And when we talk of traders who do not maintain proper books of account, even if it is business income, we will be giving it a subtopic. We call it incomplete records. The incomplete records is under the business income, and we would want to know, how do we arrive at the taxable income if a trader didn't maintain proper books of account? That is under the incomplete records, under the business income. After the business income, topic number 5, we are going to talk about, we are going to cover capital allowances. These capital allowances, deductions, they are given to each and every taxpayers who incurs capital expenditures, and they reduce your taxable income at the end of the year. So under the capital allowances, we will have, we are going to talk about a capital allowance called wear and tear allowance, or rather WTA. We are going to talk another capital allowance or deduction called industrial building deductions. We are going to talk about another topic called investment deduction.